Lian's kitchen. Today let's make enoki mushroom with tofu. Let's prepare the ingredients. Let's get started. Here are the ingredients. The exact amount is in the description box. Let's start by cutting the end of the vegetables. And then we wash it. Let's drain the wet ear. Peel the carrot and julienne after. Cut the green onions. And with ear. Now slice the garlic. Now cut the tofu cutlet in the strip. Now add some of the oil into the boiling water. Add a pinch of salt. Now add everything but the green onions. Boil a minute to remove the funkiness from the mushroom. In the clean pan, add some oil and garlic. Stir fry to release the fragrance. Let's add the ingredients back in and cook. Add some salt and soy sauce. Now add the green onions and sesame oil. Now it's plated and it's done. Wow, looks good. Time for taste test. All the vegetable is very crunchy. And the tofu is has a good mouthfeel. It is savory and garlicky, very fragrant from the sesame oil. This is a good vegan option. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. If you guys like the video, please leave a like and subscribe for more videos. Have a nice day, everybody. 再见。